Unlock nature's healing sounds. Immerse yourself in a lush rainforest, where the symphony of chirping birds, rustling leaves, and distant waterfalls transports you to a world untouched by time. This enchanting soundscape, rich in natural beauty, invites you to pause, listen, and reconnect with the serenity of the natural world. Nature sounds are the auditory essence of our environment, encompassing everything from the gentle rustle of leaves to the rhythmic ebb and flow of ocean waves. These sounds, often subtle yet profoundly impactful, provide a soothing backdrop that can transport us from daily chaos to a state of tranquility. The calming presence of nature sounds holds the power to alleviate stress, offering a momentary escape from the pressures of modern life. By engaging our senses and fostering mindfulness, these sounds help lower cortisol levels, promoting a sense of calm and well-being that rejuvenates the mind and body. In ancient cultures, nature sounds were integral to spiritual practices and healing rituals. Indigenous tribes often mimicked animal calls and natural rhythms in their ceremonies, believing these sounds connected them to the earth's energy. This deep-rooted tradition underscores the timeless human affinity for the natural world's auditory tapestry. Unlike the cacophony of urban environments, nature sounds provide a harmonious contrast to man-made noises. The gentle melody of a stream or the whisper of wind through trees offers a restorative experience, while industrial sounds often contribute to stress and distraction, highlighting the profound impact of our auditory surroundings. Birdsong offers a gentle reminder of nature's presence, with melodies that soothe the mind and calm the spirit. The chirping can transport listeners to serene, sunlit forests, providing a sense of tranquility that helps dissipate daily stress and fosters a peaceful state of being. The rhythmic ebb and flow of ocean waves have a hypnotic effect, encouraging deep relaxation. Their consistent pattern mimics the body's natural rhythms, promoting a sense of calmness. Listening to waves can mentally transport individuals to sandy shores, offering an escape from the hustle of daily life. Rainfall, with its soft patter, creates a comforting atmosphere that aids relaxation. The sound of rain can evoke feelings of coziness and warmth, often associated with moments of introspection and rest. This natural soundtrack can help ease tension, making it easier to unwind and find peace. The rustling leaves in a gentle breeze create a soothing soundscape that brings a sense of stillness and peace. This natural orchestra of wind through trees can evoke feelings of being enveloped by nature, helping to calm the mind and provide a momentary escape from life's chaos. The gentle trickle of streams and rivers offers a tranquil auditory experience. The sound of flowing water is often linked to serenity and mindfulness, helping listeners to focus and relax. This natural melody can refresh the senses, providing a backdrop for meditation or simple relaxation. Thunderstorms captivate with their powerful energy, offering a mix of awe and tranquility. The deep rumble of thunder and the rhythmic pattern of rain create a dramatic and mesmerizing soundscape. These sounds can evoke a sense of wonder, reminding us of nature's immense power and beauty, offering a unique form of relaxation. In a forest, the harmonious blend of rustling leaves, distant bird calls, and insect chirps forms a rich and immersive ambience. This natural symphony envelops listeners, providing a sense of peace and connection to the earth. The forest atmosphere fosters a soothing escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Nighttime nature sounds, like the gentle call of crickets or the distant hoot of owls, evoke a sense of calm and serenity. These sounds create a tranquil environment, perfect for winding down and preparing for rest. The soothing tones of the night offer a comforting backdrop for relaxation and reflection. In meditation, nature sounds enhance the experience by grounding participants in the present moment. The gentle flow of water or the soft rustle of leaves helps deepen concentration and mindfulness. By incorporating these sounds, meditation becomes a more immersive practice, facilitating inner peace and mental clarity. For sleep improvement, nature sounds prove invaluable. The consistent rhythm of waves or the gentle patter of rain helps lull the mind into a restful state. By masking disruptive noises, these sounds create a peaceful sleeping environment, promoting deeper and more restorative sleep, essential for overall well-being. Nature sounds can significantly boost productivity by enhancing focus and work efficiency. The gentle rustling of leaves or flowing water creates a calming backdrop that helps drown out distractions. This serene environment aids in concentration, allowing individuals to immerse themselves more deeply in their tasks, leading to improved performance. Listening to nature sounds is a powerful tool for stress relief. The soothing rhythms of rain or ocean waves can lower cortisol levels and create a sense of calm. This natural relaxation technique helps individuals unwind, reducing anxiety and promoting a more balanced emotional state throughout the day. Nature sounds have healing properties that support mental health. The tranquil ambience of a forest or a babbling brook can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. These sounds create a peaceful environment that encourages mindfulness and emotional healing, contributing to overall well-being and a healthier mindset. A variety of nature sound apps are available to bring the outdoors to your fingertips. Apps like Calm and Headspace offer diverse soundscapes, from rainforests to ocean shores. These apps provide easy access to nature's calming effects, allowing users to integrate soothing sounds into their daily routines effortlessly. Creating a DIY nature sound collection is a rewarding experience for enthusiasts. With a simple recording device, you can capture the unique sounds of your surroundings, from local birdsong to nearby streams. This personalized collection allows you to revisit cherished auditory memories and deepen your connection to nature. Popular nature sounds playlists on streaming platforms offer a vast array of immersive audio experiences. These playlists transport listeners to serene environments, from tranquil forests to calming ocean shores. Curated selections often blend various natural sounds, providing a versatile backdrop for relaxation, meditation, or focused work sessions. Scientific studies have shown that nature sounds can significantly enhance well-being. Research illustrates their ability to lower stress, reduce anxiety, and improve mood. These benefits are attributed to the gentle, non-intrusive qualities of natural soundscapes, which promote a sense of peace and connection to the natural world. Incorporating nature sounds into workplaces has proven to enhance productivity and employee satisfaction. By creating a more pleasant auditory environment, these sounds help reduce distractions and foster concentration. Many offices now integrate nature soundscapes to emulate the calming effects of nature, improving overall work efficiency and atmosphere. In therapeutic settings, nature sounds play a critical role in promoting healing and relaxation. Therapists use these sounds to help patients manage stress and anxiety, leveraging their calming effects. By providing a soothing auditory backdrop, nature sounds support various therapeutic techniques, enhancing emotional and mental well-being. Different cultures have long appreciated the power of nature sounds, incorporating them into rituals and everyday life. From Japanese Zen gardens to indigenous healing ceremonies, these sounds hold cultural significance. Exploring these variations reveals a shared human appreciation for nature's auditory beauty and its universal calming effects. Creating a nature soundspace at home involves selecting soothing sounds like birdsong or ocean waves to enhance relaxation. Incorporate speakers or sound machines in quiet areas, ensuring a harmonious environment. This personal sanctuary can reduce stress and improve well-being, offering a peaceful retreat from daily chaos. Nature sounds seamlessly integrate into yoga sessions, enhancing meditation and focus. The gentle rhythm of flowing water or rustling leaves complements breathing exercises, promoting deeper relaxation. Practitioners often find that these sounds heighten their connection to the present moment, enriching their overall yoga experience. Virtual reality experiences now bring nature sounds directly to users, immersing them in serene environments. These digital adventures replicate the tranquility of natural settings, offering an escape from urban life. By combining visual and auditory elements, virtual nature experiences offer a uniquely calming and restorative retreat. In films, nature sounds play a crucial role in storytelling, adding depth and realism to scenes. The subtle rustle of leaves or distant thunder can evoke emotions and enhance the narrative. Filmmakers use these sounds to transport viewers, creating immersive worlds that resonate long after the credits roll. Mindfulness practices often incorporate nature sounds to anchor individuals in the present. The calming effects of natural soundscapes support focus and relaxation, making them ideal for meditation. By fostering a deeper connection to the environment, these sounds help practitioners cultivate awareness and serenity in their daily lives. Nature soundscapes can be incredibly calming for children, helping them relax and focus. Sounds like gentle rain, birdsong, or rustling leaves create a soothing environment that aids in reducing anxiety and promoting restful sleep. Incorporating these sounds into daily routines can enhance a child's sense of peace and well-being. For those passionate about capturing nature's symphony, technology offers exciting tools. High-quality portable recorders and smartphone apps allow enthusiasts to record pristine soundscapes. Accessories like windshield covers and tripods enhance recording quality, ensuring that every rustle, chirp, and wave is captured beautifully for playback and personal enjoyment. Crafting nature-inspired instruments is a delightful way to engage with sound. Simple projects like rain sticks or wind chimes can be made using household items. These DIY instruments not only provide hours of creative fun, but also bring the tranquil beauty of nature into your home. In urban environments, nature sounds are increasingly used in public spaces to create calming atmospheres. Parks and plazas integrate these sounds to offer city dwellers a momentary escape from the hustle and bustle. This thoughtful integration helps in reducing stress and fostering a sense of connection with the natural world. As seasons change, so do the soundscapes around us. Spring brings lively bird songs, summer hums with insects, autumn's leaves crunch underfoot, and winter offers the quiet of falling snow. Each season's unique sounds provide an ever-evolving backdrop, keeping the experience of nature fresh and engaging. Nature sound enthusiasts often share personal stories of transformation and tranquility. One listener finds solace in ocean waves, easing her anxiety. Another discovers productivity in forest ambience during work hours. These testimonials highlight the profound impact of nature sounds on emotional well-being and daily life, offering a sense of calm and focus. Artists and writers frequently draw inspiration from nature sounds, which can spark creativity and fresh ideas. The symphony of birdsong, or the gentle patter of rain, can transport creators to new imaginative landscapes, allowing them to explore themes and emotions in their work that might otherwise remain untapped. Virtual nature sound tours offer immersive experiences for global soundscapes, transporting users to distant rainforests, serene beaches, or bustling wetlands. These online ventures provide access to the world's diverse acoustic environments, fostering a deeper appreciation for the planet's natural beauty and the diversity of its auditory landscapes. The fusion of nature sounds with music has given rise to innovative genres that blend natural harmonies with instrumental melodies. This combination creates a unique auditory experience, enhancing relaxation and emotional connection. Musicians and composers experiment with these soundscapes to produce tracks that resonate with listeners on a deeper level. Explore the world of nature sounds and experience their calming effects firsthand. Dive into playlists, try recording your own sounds, and integrate them into daily routines. Subscribe for more insights and tips on embracing nature's soothing symphonies, and embark on a journey toward enhanced well-being and creativity.